So I'm Fiona Wilson. My topic is understanding the effects of media on women's health, and I was looking at gender norms and what these mean, and just the concept of gender and what that means for women specifically, and also looking at what that means for me and reflecting on the media that I was exposed to in the past and the media I'm exposed to now, and what it would look like if that were different. I think that it's really important that people learn or are more aware of what they're exposed to, and that this idea of normal and this idea of, you know, everyday life is something that we've constructed as a society, and if that's not what they want, or the certain behaviors that may not be noticeable but are there, and it's controversial in some ways without them really knowing it. It's kind of just making them aware of it, and I think awareness is the first step to change.
Well, hello, my name is Danny Kim, and my personal project idea is to test out the realism that are present in video games and testing them out by making them in real life. One-sided ballistic mirror window, where you can see from one side but not the other. Now, I tried my best to create a replica here, and it worked out pretty fine in the end. Now, the limitations that are present in real life here that I found out when making this project was that you cannot add technology and just expect everything to be okay. You have to actually design it, engineer it, you have to make sure that things are put in proper order and to work properly. Well, I'm most proud of that I actually created something in my project, because if you told my 3 weeks past self, he would never believe that I actually made this. He would say, no, you're lazy, you're playing video games right now as we speak. But then here I am, 3 weeks later, finishing my project. I say you better have a topic idea by summer break. Just think what you're gonna do and make sure that you're organized. Organization is key to this. You'll have to create a website, you'll have to organize everything with IB, specifications, learner profile, ATL skills, all the things like that. Thank you.
You're doing a great job, you're explaining it super well, and the fourth graders, the class that I teach, are really engaged in all the different activities that you've come up with. So thank you so much. It's been great.
Oh, thank you. Hey, the students have done a terrific job. They've been talking their hearts out all day. They put a lot of effort into both their product and their display. And I think they've learned that they knew a lot more than they thought they did, and I think they've done a terrific job. So well done to the grade 10 students.
Yes, it's been fantastic seeing students talk passionately about their projects and such a wide range of things to study. It's really great to see them follow their personal interests.